Okay, guys, welcome to Demand Trade System (DTS). Now we are going to discuss about the BTST trading. Normally, every day I am doing the BTST around five stocks names in cash and two stocks names in two stocks are in the future. But normally, that our guys are repeatedly asking the same question. Sir, what is the stop level? What is the entry? And how much profit I have to get it from the BDST? Okay. For example, I'm giving this BDST here. Look at here. BTST cash, one stock name, and future two stock name. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I moved all mics. Now it's voice is clear. I hope everyone is enjoying. Okay, let's go to the topic, the BTST trades. The BTST trades, many guys are asking the question, what is the entry price, and what is the stop loss, and what is the target? I'm telling that there is no specific entry price and there is no specific stop loss, and also there is no specific target price. There is no price, only the time of entry and the next day opening, how much profit you are going to get. Okay, here I'm clearly mentioning that after I'm giving the BTST, cash 5 stocks and future 2 stocks. Now the stop loss is 3% of 3% for cash and 1% for future. Okay, that means whatever when you have to buy at exactly 3:25. Here the timing is mentioned that 12:54. It is a Saudi time. Okay, you have to buy at 3:25. At the end of the day, just before closing the day, you have to buy. Okay, if you buy and the next day opening, 1 minute, I'm going to open the paint so that everyone will understand. Okay, nevertheless of what is the price of the stock? Okay, just to buy at 3:25 p.m. or before. Sometimes I give the BTST list at 3:45 or 3:40 also. Sorry, the 3:10 or 3:15 also. Okay, and then you have to wait for next day. Wait for next day opening. If in the opening itself 5% profit, then book 50% of quantity. Okay, and trial your stop loss cost. Okay, so at the same time, if the opening you saw 3% down, okay, then exit. And one more rule by opening: if in the opening you got overall profit average percentage 2 or more than that, then exit. Then close your all position. This is my rules for BTST. Okay, for example, now today I give the five stock: IO, LCP, Spark, Tata Investment, Prakash Industries, and Delta Car. For example, tomorrow IOCP in opening 4%. This is 3%. Okay, so 7%. And Tata Investment 1%, 8%. This one 3% is down, exit. So from 8%, this 3% will remain. So you have 5% remaining. And this Prakash Industries, it get boom. like no, above 7% or 6%. So overall you get 11 or 12%. Now you have to divide by five stocks. Then how much percentage you will get? More than 2%. If it is like that, immediately you can exit all the position with a 2% of overall profit. Okay, understand? Yeah. Do you understand what I'm telling? Hello. Do you understand what I'm telling? Use the chat box and give you a feedback. Yes. Okay. 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 We are selling that. Yes. So this is the simple rule. And also, if you are not getting 2%, but some stocks are moving in good. Some stocks are moving good. Some stocks are moving good means. Wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah, some stocks are moving good. For example, Prakash is more than 10%, it's more than 9% or more than 8% it is giving. Then what you have to do? You have to book the 50% of profit from that Prakash Industries. 50% of profit means whatever you bought the quantity from that 50%. For example, 100 quantity of Prakash Industries you have bought. Okay, and next day if it is increased 5%, more than 5% means you can book the 50% quantity. That means 50 quantity you can sell it, and the remaining 50 quantity you have to file your stop losses. Okay, so this is the way you have to trade in the BTST. And also, everybody is asking the same question at the 325 or 315. Sir, how much quantity I have to buy? How much I have to invest? Nothing. Nothing. Whatever you have the capital, divide your capital, divide divide your capital by number of stocks. Sometimes I give 6 stocks, sometimes I give 7 stocks, but minimum 5 stocks in cash. Okay. Hello. No, no. Use the chart box. Okay. Divide your capital by number of stocks, and then you will have the equal amount for each share. Okay. Then divide that amount. Divide that amount by current market price of share. Okay. Then you will get a quantity to buy. Understand? Yes, yes. So number one is, before you buy, divide your capital by number of stocks. For example, you have the 1 lakh. If you have the 1 lakh, for example, if you have the 1 lakh, then divide 1 lakh divided by 5 number of stocks equal to how much? 20,000, right? So each stock you are going to invest 20,000. For example, Prakash Industries is 100 rupees. Then you have to buy 200 quantities. Okay, and there is another stock. Some other stock name is consider Spark is around 300, something like that. Then you have to buy 100, yeah, around 60, 65 quantity. Okay, quantity will be differ because based on the price of the stock name. Okay, so this is the way you have to trade it. Don't buy particularly 2 stock or 3 stock, because why I am giving 5 stocks, it will give the leverage sometimes at least 1%, minimum 1% or 2% it can be given, or sometimes it will give 4%, sometimes 5%. Day before yesterday it is 5%, the average profit. Remember, every day you will get 1%, 2% profit mean in a month there is a 22 trading day, trading sessions. Then calculate the compounding effect. You will definitely will get more than 30% or 40% if you follow my BDST. Okay. Any question? The full trade discipline seminar tomorrow we will discuss, because today I am spending 3 hours to setting this setup. Yeah, that is what I'm telling. If there is a gap down, definitely my stock will not give gap down opening, and that also limited up to 3%. It will not open gap down like a 5%, something like that. Sometimes 1% gap down will come, and then again it will move up. You know the Ballarpur, day before yesterday I give Ballarpur. At opening it is 2% down. I'm telling that wait for the 3% stop loss to be hit. 3%. 3% means you have to look at that what is the percentage now in the watch list, because when what time you are buying at 325 at the end of the day. Okay, so the very next day, forget about how much what is the price is trading. Look at the percentage. If it is plus, then book partial profit or book full profit. If it is in the minus, then wait for my stop loss. 3% in cash, and also 1% is in future. Okay, if you have a huge amount of money like at 5,000 or 10,000, sorry, 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, you can simply buy my future call. If you don't have that kind of money, your capital is very less, like 1.5 lakhs or 1 lakh, then invest in my do the BDST in my BDST, sorry, cash BDST. Okay, yeah, the future is 1%, 1%. Definitely, the F1 stock will not open a gap down at more than 1%. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, definitely. And also there is a somebody asking that, sir, I cannot buy. You are giving the call at 12, sorry, 3:20 or 3:25. Within a 5 minutes, I cannot buy. Future, okay, I can accept it. Future, I give only two stocks. How long time it will going to take? No need to check what is the entry price. Just simply buy and wait for tomorrow. For that, 5 minutes is enough. And also for cash segment, you can look at that in the cash segment. For five stocks, I'm telling that, giving that. Okay, 10 minutes is enough. 5 minutes for adding the 3 minutes is for adding the watch list, and the remaining 7 minutes you can buy. But if you could not buy till 3:30, you can use AMO, after market order. You know AMO, after market order. Till 4 o'clock you have the opportunity to buy, because if there is a seller, then you can get stock. After 3:30 there is a seller also. In the stock there is a seller, there is a limit orders will be there by seller they are putting, then that will automatically executed if you put the AMO order. AMO mean after market order. I don't know what is the other brokerage in Zerodha and RS Upstocks. This AMO aftermarket orders are available. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm telling. Closing, if all stocks, so for example, in out of 5 stock, if 2 or 3 stock more than 5%, no, 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 webcam is not allowed. Okay, okay, yes. So if the out of five cash stocks, if more than two stocks or three stocks is more than 5% profit, then book partial profit and strive your stop loss to cost. Sometimes my stock is giving more than 10%, 12%, sometimes 19%, sometimes 20%. You know the fashion celebrity fashion that the stocks are giving 20% profit at the same day. Okay, yeah. In a single lot, how you can book a 50% in the future? For example, I'm giving a 1% stop loss. If you see 0.5% profit also, you can book the profit. Okay. Yesterday I give the two call, Godrej Consumer and another one is IGL. Godrej Consumer, it's hit at the stop loss 1%, but IGL it gives 3.5%, more than 3.5% and 4% today it's up. You can leverage it. That is the reason I give rather than giving the one single call, I give the multiple opportunity. You can leverage it. Okay. Okay, guys. Now you understand that how to play the BTST. So it's very simple, and also you have to follow my rules very strictly. Okay, these are my rules. Okay, these are my rules. You can make a screenshot this one and put it on your desktop or in your mobile. Okay, whenever I give the BTST, just simply buy. Don't check what is the price, whether it is 100 or 99. Okay, because we are out of time. Just to buy at the closing time and wait for the tomorrow opening, the next day opening. If you see the good profit and book partial or book full also, you have to calculate yourself. If yeah, how I'm creating the call. It's totally completely it is a technical. Okay, it is full and full. It's a technical analysis. If you want to how you create call, yeah, Hitesh. Yeah, this is a full technical analysis, my boss. This is a pure technical analysis. It's based on the breakouts and some. There are some scanning techniques I have. I'm applying on that one. I'm not watching the screen each and every time. I'm just in the break time only. I'm just watching the screen and select the stock and give to you. Okay. I have some technical analysis. Yeah. That I cannot reveal here because that will take around 4 to 5 hours to explain to you. Okay, if you want and ping me in personal, then I will tell you how to select the stock. Okay, there are 6,000 stocks is available, 2,000, 2,500 in NSE is available. So from the 2,000 stocks, we have to identify the most powerful 5 stock. Okay, without technical analysis, you cannot do that one. Okay. But you can trade. You can trade from my BTST. But do your own analysis. Okay. Yeah. Any question among 30? Yeah. No. Every day I'm giving only 5 stocks. Before that, I give 8 stocks, sometimes 7 stocks. But people are requesting that within 10 minutes or 15 minutes, even 15 minutes, they cannot add more than that. Then I reduce to the stock level to 5. Okay. Yeah. Any question? Hello, any question? PPS. Yeah. Do you use demand and supply or breakout? I use both. I use both. Sarada is good, Siva. Sarada is good. If you want, you can use upstarts. Okay. Okay, guys, please mute your microphone. Otherwise, this will interrupt to others to hear. Okay, yeah. I'm using demand and supply and the breakouts and some volume-based analyze, some trend line support, and some normal trend reversal. Everything I'm used. Whenever I have the conviction on that, more conviction on this, some techniques, I'm giving this talk. Yeah. Because that is what I'm telling, that it will take more time to guide you. Better do you ask me in the private telegram. I will explain you, because here if I talking to if I am going to explain how to select those potential breakout stocks, that will take more than 5 or 6 classes. Okay, yeah. Fundamental. Why you need fundamental? Mohit, any material to learn fundamentals? No need fundamentals. No need to learn fundamentals. But I'm not against the fundamentals. But you can learn fundamental. Only technically is enough. Yeah. There is demand supply level. How to get level? Hitesh. Demand and supply is not a simply indicator like a RSI or MACD. And first of all, I never use any indicator. I never use any indicator. Only one indicator I am using, that is RSI, for some confirmation. Before I take the sometime only. Okay. If I am not convict about the candlestick or any pattern, any chart, and then I look for the RSI for some other confirmation. Okay. That also I am not using. Demand and supply through chart. If you see the chart, you can easily identify where is the demand and where is the supply, where is the support zone or where is the resistance zone, where you have to take the trade. Yeah, that's what. If you want to learn, then you can ping me in person in the Telegram. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. BTS, I don't know your name. You can ping me. Yeah, no problem, Siva. I will tell you which brokerage firm is good. Okay. Vasu. First, ping me in person and I will explain you what you are asking. The supporter and resistance zone is the C. Trade is very simple. Buy at the lower level and sell at the higher level. But the problem is people are expecting from lower level to higher level within a 2 days or within a 3 days or directly up, up, up. That direction only people like. You need a patience to reach your target. You know your risk, right? This is a discipline, trade discipline. That will take 2 hours webinar. That unfortunately today we don't have that opportunity because I'm stuck in with to set up this setting. Okay, sorry for inconvenient cost because I'm putting you all people to wait more than 2 hours. Okay, definitely tomorrow I will explain the trade discipline, how to take a trade setup, and how much quantity you have to buy, how much risk you are going to take. If you know your risk, then your reward will follow you. You know what is your risk you are going to take, and how confident you are going to take a trade. If you know that, then you will not get this much confused, and you will not get frustrated. Okay. And any study material to gain technical knowledge. Mohit. Mohit is asking any study material to gain technical knowledge. Mohit, everything is available internet as a free. Okay, but I'm telling you, those free knowledge you can gain a knowledge, but practicing and taking a good trade, that will not make you perfectly, because you need to take a practice and experience. Experience means you have to learn from your mistake. Okay, through the internet everything is available. If everyone will follow it, and then why everyone is not successful trader. Okay, the practice and your experience and the unique way what you have learned from that experience, that will help you. Practice make you perfect. Mohit, okay. And the other guy, Dharmesh. You don't give index call. Yeah, I can give index call if I'm sitting in front of the system and all the time. I can give the index call, not a call. My views. It's up to you. You are taking the trade or not. What happened yesterday? Yesterday I'm telling that. Yesterday I'm telling that Nifty will reach nine 9,933. Yeah. Here what happened? Yesterday evening I am telling that Nifty will down up to 9,933. Here look at the low 9963. No, it's made a low 9944. Okay. So one guy is asking 1 minute. Uh, yeah, 9930. I am seeing 9930 tomorrow or next week. PS will rock. What is happening in the Nifty? What's happening with the Nifty? The Nifty made low. See, 9944. Just 14 points is away. So I can give the index call. The problem is today is a Friday. For me, it's a holiday, so I can sit all day. So I give two, sorry, three intraday calls, intraday views, two hitting target, two give profit, and one is not hitting stop loss. A little bit it's down. Okay. Another question. My Telegram ID at the end of this session I will give Dharmesh. I don't know how you get this link. There is channel I have and group I have. Demand and level is channel and demand trade system is demand trade speak is my group. I will give you. Navi, index calls BTST is a very danger. If you are taking the taking index for BTST, sometimes gap down and gap up anytime in the index. Okay, so we cannot predict. We can predict the direction, but the opening price is sometimes gap down and it's hitting the gap. So that is why I'm avoiding index or in BTST. But intraday you can do in index. Yeah, yeah. Surendra Sharma, tomorrow we will have the same session. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Any other question? Any other question, guys? You can ask me. We have 10 more minutes. Question, please. Who is the Niranjan Prasad? Niranjan, what is the question is this? Can I buy BTST for intraday? No, you have BTST mean buy today, sell tomorrow. You have to buy 325 or 315 or 315 to 325, 329. Within this timing, you have to buy the stock, right? And then you have to sell tomorrow morning or whenever it's going to up, unless it's hit the 3% stop loss. Okay, there are many guys are giving the Nifty call. Yeah, can you provide Nifty trade? This is asking Nifty intraday. Yeah, I will give. I will give. It's not a big problem, big issue to give the Nifty views. But the problem is for me, I'm not sitting all the time at the front of the desk. That is the reason. But I will try to give Nifty views every Friday because every Friday I have time so that I can. Do you teach how to do BTST on our own? PPS, I don't know your name. Uh, Ping me. I will guide you. Okay, it's not a common webinar session to guide you. Okay, it will take more than 6 class, mean that is 12 hours, 15 hours. You need to sit and every day you have to do practice. Then only you can know. You cannot simply by listening. You cannot understand. Bhagat, we just now started, just half an hour ago we have started, but it's not a full complete session. What I have put in on my channel about the trade discipline and the BTST trade setup video webinar. This is just I'm trying how this go-to meeting is working. Okay, tomorrow definitely we will have the complete session. DPS, you know guys, my ID. If you don't know, you can note it down now. Okay, I will let you know, Naveen, what time? Maybe in the daytime or evening time. Um, so my personal, my Telegram ID ArunGIC. Okay, my WhatsApp number also here I'm mentioning. Note it down. Then you can ask me any personal query. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. Okay, this is my Telegram ID, ArunGIC Telegram ID and WhatsApp number. You can ask me any query about this BDST trade setup and how to select the trade setup. Okay? Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, guys. I'm from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Now I'm working in Saudi. Okay, okay, Naveen. Okay, this kind of question you can ask in the group or you can ask in the personal. Now, anything related to trade setup or the discipline, if you have any doubts about the trading related things, you can ask here. Then I will try to give my explanation and my answer. Anything? Any question? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely, sir. Tomorrow we will take a full session. And how you enjoyed about my views? Because every day I'm giving the calls. Very few calls only hit the stop loss. Very few. Okay. Yeah, I train. I have around 9 years experience, Mr. Dawal Desai. Yeah, I have 9 years experience, and I got some gurus, good gurus, master. Yeah, and also I train myself, and I identify some unique way how to play with the market. Okay, yeah, definitely everyone have a unique way. The things and setups and techniques are common for all, but the way you are approaching that one, the way you are using that one, that is unique. Yeah. Someone can buy Infosys at a 980 level today. Someone is identified at 992. Someone is identified that the Infosys intraday call at 1,000 rupees. Okay, it's up to them. It's up to them how the way how they are identify the chart pattern. Okay, Dharmesh, I will try to do this one. Okay. Okay, guys, and also here it is this board
Hmm?
meeting is telling that only 51 people. Hello, guys.
Another?
Please mute your mic. Mute your mic. Yeah. No. River, don't square off at 9:15. Why you are square offing? Some stock is moving up. Okay. Yeah. No, it's not correct. 9:15 you should not. 9:15. 9:15 you should not square off all. Okay, if it's more than 5% or 10%, okay, you can square. But there's yeah. Definitely, there are many courses are available. There are big institution is there. You can join those courses, gain your knowledge. Yeah, yeah. I already explained the correct process. Okay, tomorrow also I will explain the correct process of how to create the BDST. I think I hope you join later today, right? Yeah. The 1% stop loss mean still you are not getting. BTST mean what? When you need to buy, when you need to close, that you have to first understand. What your BTST mean buy today, sell tomorrow mean not buy today at 10 a.m. and sell tomorrow at any time. You have to buy at the exactly last 20 minutes or 15 minutes, the day close. That time you are buying. Okay, right? After your buying price, tomorrow after opening the market, if the stock is coming down, it's giving 1% down from your entry price in future segment, then that is a stop loss. Okay, you cannot accept more than 1% in future. And also, if you trade it in the cash segment, you are buying at the 3:20 p.m. or 3:15 or 3:29 or very exactly near to the 1 o'clock at the end of the day. Okay, whatever it is, you are buying, and the next day stock is moving up or down, just wait. If it is down more than 3% or to touched 3%, then you have to exit, otherwise not exit. If it is come 2.5% down, wait for the 3% stop loss means 3% down. If it is come, then exit, otherwise keep it, and then automatically it will move up. That's what I'm giving the one example. Day before yesterday I give Ballarpur, I think some sugar stock, I think it went down 2%, more than 2%, but within the rule mean it's not hit 3%, and then it's again it's up. Okay, I hope you understand. And he is one of my friend. Sanjay Gupta is one of my friend, but also one of my mentor also. Yeah. Any question? Any question, my friend? Any question? I have to leave. Ankush, how much capital is doesn't matter. Everything is the risk and reward. How much risk you are taking and how much reward you are taking. If you have the 1 lakh capital, you can take a risk 3% on each stock and more than 5% profit at least you can get it. If you have 10,000, you can divide your invested amount divided by 5, 2,000 in each stock. Like that only. Doesn't matter. Okay, guys. Now we are. Yeah, yeah. That I already explained, Vibar. I think you are later. You join tomorrow. Again, I will explain how to book the profit. Look at here. This window you can make a screenshot. Okay, I will tell you. The profit is coming more than 5% in the stock. Book 50% quantity and trial your stop losses. Okay. Okay, guys. I have to leave now. So today webinar is